Hello everyone, my name is Sheena Vermani and I'm the Regional Manager for Iowa State University. Iowa State University is a research university. We are classified as R1 school, which means research is a top priority at our school. On today's date, we have been hand-holding more than 30,000 students, which comprises of domestic students and international students. Our strength on campus is 2,700 international students coming from different locations. We have 117 countries represented on our campus. We have a lot of Indian students studying at our campus as well. When we talk about the location, we are very close to Des Moines, which is Iowa's state capital. We are in the city of Ames. We are very centrally located and a very student-friendly environment. We are very safe and secured environment, and we are also one of the most beautiful campuses. So we in the US, so we come under the top 25 most beautiful campus to study. Iowa State University just does not offer programs and studies, but goes that extra mile in preparing the student for becoming future leaders. So when we talk about our programs, we have students who can apply for programs in accounting to zoology at the undergrad level, and of course a lot of majors at the grad as well. We have an undecided major for students who are not very sure what they need to pick. We have an undecided engineering major for students who want to get a glimpse of what to go ahead with when it comes to their engineering programs. We have an undergrad cyber security program, which is again very popular right now in the market. So we are, and the beauty about Iowa State is our programs are STEM designated. So 60% of our programs are STEM designated programs at undergrad and at the grad level as well. At the grad, we are offering masters in computer science, masters in artificial intelligence, which is again attracting a lot of international students to come join study with us. Talking about our campus safety, campus security, we have the police department recruited by Iowa State University on our campus. So we are a very safe environment, very friendly environment in terms of our safety. When we talk about the placement records, we are at a 96% placement record when it comes to our domestic and international students, which means that the placement is fantastic because we host one of the largest career fairs where we have all the Fortune 500 companies come down to Iowa State University campus and recruit Iowa State University students. So our students are always given an importance over other students because of the quality, because of the exposure that they are given on campus during their study. We are very proud. Very recently, we had one of our students who got a summer internship at Tesla, and we are very proud of our students and what they are doing out there. Another thing about Iowa State University is its infrastructure. We are a 1,800 plus acre campus having all the facilities on campus. We have huge labs, laboratories, we have our own innovation center. So we have a lot to offer once a student comes on our campus. So student would really not feel the need to step out of the campus once they are with us, because everything is available on the university campus. It's a world in itself because the population of Ames is 60,000 and 30,000 is on our campus. So I would recommend, for all these reasons, if you are wanting to study in the world's best university, one of the best universities, and if you want to experience a public research school, one of the best campuses, if you want to have good placement records, then yes, Iowa State University can be one of your university choices in the future. So if you need help and assistance with your applications, you want to know more about the scholarship opportunities, how to go about your admission, how to start your journey, please reach out to TrueMatix and they should be able to help you with your applications and the journey. So looking forward to seeing you on campus. Thank you so much.